Dear Goenkans, today our topic is adding a new row, deleting a row, and sorting data within a table. For that, what we need to do is we'll open our database. Say, for example, my database is here, that is students database. Now, what we have to do is we'll click on the view button that is available on the home tab. Then we'll click on the design view. We'll have our table headings in the design view. The table will, as you all see, the table has opened in design view. We can place the cursor on the field before which we want to insert a new, we want to add a new field. So on the design tab, we can also select the insert or row option. Say for example, if I want it after roll number, I can click here. So before roll number, sorry. So I can click here and I can add name. After name I can add any else. So I'll be adding section because I cannot see a section column here. Then data type, we can keep a text, number, whatever we want. So this is how we can add as many number of rows as we want. So let's just add one more here, because at the end we can add as many as we want. Here we can add anything. Let's just write address. Now we can just admission number, name of the student, section, roll number, class, phone number, father's name, mother's name, residence, and then we can go with at the end you can add as many as you want, but in between if you want to add, what you have to do is either you have to click on insert or you just have to click on right click and then insert row. You can add as many as number of blank rows to it. Then you have to define the name, data type, and the properties of the new field. Deleting a row is nothing. Here also right click and then if you all can see delete row, or in between if you want to delete you have to click on that, and then in the above in the home tab you can also see delete row, so it will get delete. This was how we can delete a row. Now another one thing is sorting data within a table. For that what we need to do is we have to go back to the table. So we don't want to save changes. We'll click our open our students table. Now if you all can see, for sorting of data what we can do is, if you all can see these column headings have a row along with them, and if you click on these rows, a drop down menu will open where you will have some options like sort from A to Z or Z to A. If we click on from Z to A, so all the sorting will be done from largest to if you all can see the data has been changed, or we can sort it according to the name. Say for example we want from Z to A, so all the sorting will be in the descending order. We'll get first from Z and then A. Say we want it from smallest to the largest, so we'll click on this arrow and then we'll choose A to Z. So first we'll get the name with A and then B, C, D, like this. And it also, for you should remember this naming pattern, it follows the dictionary pattern where we have first A, then AA, then AB, respectively up to AZ and then B. So this was sorting data within a table. Or see for example we can also filter data here. Say for example we don't want all the students detail, we want only Alim and Amira. Then we have to click on OK and we'll be getting only these two student details on the database. Select all, so we'll get everybody now. This was sorting data within a table. So we'll just close it, and if you want to save the changes, for that we'll click on yes. And then for opening an existing database, what we have to do is we have to select on the file and then open, and then from the file option we can choose our database wherever it is. We can go to the respective location and we can desire the table. Say for example I want to open this database 4, then I have to click on open. That database will get open. Say for example here is this database has table 2 in which it has nothing. So this was how we can open an existing database. This was for today. Thank you and take care.